Now this, in terms of digital payments, we have a push button for payments in API. And here I'm gonna show you a little bit about how it works while I speak, I hope. Yes, this is, you can select the payment directly from the merchant. You just fill in your phone number, which is your account number. That's the phone number. Then the amount you're gonna pay. Then you pay. You go to the app, you get a push notification for the approval. There you go. Accept. From where the money comes, accept. And that's it. That's the payment. That's done. So in this way, people who never had access to this kind of services because they had no credit card and they weren't in the digital world, had access, started having access to payments, to digital payments in Colombia, right? So that's, and this is the growth of this payment methods speaks for itself. It's been growing a lot because a lot of people are we're waiting to use this kind of services. I'm rushing here to get to where I wanted to. In terms of card, Nequi does not have a credit card. It has a payment card. It's a Visa payment card. In relationship with our approach to safe finances, this card allows people to control their balances, not to get over in debt. So it's something that we're working on connecting with credit, but for now, this is very aligned with our basic promise. And lastly, because I'm out of time here, this I think Nequi has been at the forefront of digital and payments in Colombia by understanding users, by understanding the simplicity of what they really need, not the sophistication that we can provide. And I think that has been like the success right now for Nequi.